Roblox looking ways to boost revenue. In this video, I want to talk about an incredible setup for Roblox stock on the weekly time frame and the daily time frame. So this is going to be a longer term play, and this could also be a nice options swing play, so 1 month out, 2 month out. And we have a lot going on with this chart which I want to go over. We have the support, we have the gap, we have a nice stop loss, and we also have a very nice shares play. I'm talking about a incredible shares play, potentially profit target being 75% with a stop loss of around 15%. So I love the risk to reward for this play, and I want to go over. Subscribe with the notifications on. This is our 400th video, so make sure to subscribe and make sure to share this video if you guys do enjoy this content and if you guys do find value. So let's get started with Roblox. Now first, we did have some good news today, and that is how I kind of got the idea for this play off of CNBC. So Roblox is letting game creators sell 3D virtual goods as it looks for ways to boost revenue. So some pretty good news for Roblox stock today, but it really didn't move today. It's up 0.76%. But let's take a look at the chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart, and then let's take a look at the daily chart. So let's take a look at the big picture. Okay, we're talking about the big picture. So we peaked around 2021. Obviously, we had a huge hype. We had the stimulus, we had COVID money, all of that. And then pretty much we dropped all the way down, which was a 82% loss for Roblox stock. And then what happened is we started a accumulation phase where we are now trading sideways, and pretty much we're just trading sideways. But since we are trading sideways, we can take advantage of these two levels. So we have two levels that I'm watching. We have a level of support. Support is the area where price bounces off, and then we have a nice level of resistance. So the game plan is we buy low and we sell high. So we buy in at the level of support, and then we sell higher at the level of resistance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a price target for Roblox here. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to add this price label here. So we're going to have this level, the 49.50 level, and 25.93 level. Two very important levels, and these are the two critical levels that I am watching on the weekly time frame. Now let's take a look a little bit closer. I'm taking a look. Okay, so this looks great for shares, and our potential profit target is 72% to around 65%. So that is our price target. Our price target is 49. We just want to play this bounce off of Roblox. Now our stop loss is going to be below $25. So if we close below $25 on the weekly time frame, okay, just like Disney, just like our all of our other plays, once we break the level of support, that is going to be our stop loss. So especially for Roblox, that is going to be our stop loss, because if we break this level of support, and then psychologically it has shown us that we have broken the trend to the downside, and now we have more room to the downside. So let's take a look at Roblox weekly, and then let's take a look at the daily. Daily looks a lot more interesting, especially for options. I really like this for an options play a month out or 2 months out. We have a nice consolidation phase on the daily time frame, the past previous 5 candles, and then we have a nice gap for Roblox. So we have this gap around, which was a earnings gap, a pretty big gap. So that is going to be a incentive move. If we do break out, this is going to be our first price target. So this is going to be our price target if we break out the 29.50 area, which is going to be 32.59, which is the gap entry. So if we can break above and close above, this is going to be our stop loss, and then obviously we have the gap zone. So if you're looking to play options, this is the trade idea for you to play the breakout, and this being the price target. But I'm personally taking a look at shares. as well as potentially just a 1 month out or 2 month out call options for Roblox. But shares is the go-to play right now. Now, I want to compare it with kind of like a stock like Coinbase. So this was another previous play that I was looking at a while ago, and it really reminds me of the setup of Coinbase. Just like Roblox, we were trading sideways. We even peaked around 2021. We had a massive drop to the downside. We entered the accumulation phase. We traded sideways. We bounced between these areas, and then eventually we did break out for Coinbase. So this is what I'm taking a look at, comparing it to Coin. And then we also have Rivian. Rivian was another one of our previous plays, just like Roblox. We had a massive sell pressure to the downside. We were consolidating, and then we have a massive move to the upside. So that is what I'm taking a look at for Roblox. It looks very nice, very good. My top play for next week, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe with the notifications on. Let me know in the comments your thoughts, and see you guys next week.